Good morning, candidates. This is Combined Graduate Level Examination 2020. Date for submission of online applications from today, 29/12 to 31/1 2021. Last date for receipt of online applications, 31/1 2021. Last date for making online fee payment 2/2, but don't wait till the last date. Apply by about 13th 14th date itself. Now it may be very busy, and by the end of the period it will be very busy. So schedule for computer tier 1 examination between 29th May to 7th June. Tier 2 descriptive paper to be notified later. Yeah, this test is conducted for various posts. The details of posts carrying a very high level 8 to level 7, 6, 5, 4. They are all given here. Please go through this. I will be giving the link of this in the video comments column. Then for people with disabilities also certain concessions are given. Please go through that. What is the definition of disability? वो दिया है. Then vacancies for the examination 6,506 group B, gazetted 250, non-gazetted 3,513, C 2,743. Reservation is there for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, OBC and EWS also, ex-servicemen also. I'm not going into nationality and all. I take it for granted. The age limit as on 1st January 2021. There are posts requiring 18 to 27. Some posts require 20 to 27. Please go through that in detail. But even then, there is relaxation for SC/ST 5 years, OBC 3 years, and physically handicapped 10 years. Physically handicapped OBC 13, physically handicapped SC/ST 15 years. So that relaxation is there. Please go through that. For Group C posts, up to widows, divorced women judicially separated, up to 35 years of age. Please go through all this slowly. I am not covering it in detail. So the certification for SC/ST and all that also would have been given. Please go by that. For physically handicapped, they give you scribe also. Some junior as a statistical officer, they earned minimum 60% marks in mathematics at +2 12th standard level. Bachelor's degree, any subject with statistics as one subject. For all other posts, bachelor's degree from a recognized university, no minimum marks. How to apply? Please go through this. If you don't know, please go with the assistance of somebody from a browsing center who can help you. Fee payable is only 100 rupees. Women candidates belonging to scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, persons with disabilities, ex-servicemen, they are exempted from fee. The fee can be paid through BIM, UPI, net banking, or using Visa, MasterCard, etc. Online fee can be paid up to 2nd February, but don't delay that. And next important point, whenever you fill in properly, don't commit mistakes. Scheme of examination is examination will be conducted in 4 tiers. Tier 1 computer based examination, Tier 2 computer based examination, Tier 3 pen and paper mode descriptive paper, Tier 4 computer proficiency for data entry skill test wherever applicable. So please check up whether you are coming under that. Tier 1 and 2, it is Tier 1, it consists of 100 questions. General intelligence and reasoning, general awareness, quantitative aptitude, English, each consisting of 25 questions and 1 hour time given for people who are appearing with scribe, for them 20 minutes more. Then second tier, paper 1 quantitative aptitude, 100 questions, 200 marks, 2 hours. Paper 2 English language and comprehension, 200 questions, 200 marks. Then for some people who require statistics separately and general studies, finance and economics, some people only will write this. Tier 1 and Tier 2 will consist of objective type multiple choice questions. Questions will be set in both English and Hindi, except for English comprehension Tier 1 and paper 2, Tier 2. Tier 1, there will be negative marking of 0.5 for each wrong answer. Remember, not like bank examination where it is only 0.25, here it is 0.50. Tier 2, there will be negative marking of 0.25 for each answer in paper 2, English language comprehension, and 0.50 marks for each answer in paper 1, 3 and 4. But 3 and 4 everybody will not write. Tier 2, paper 1 and paper 2 are compulsory for all the posts. Paper 3 of Tier 2 will be there for who apply for junior statistical. Tier 2, paper 4 for those candidates who are shortlisted in Tier 1 for paper 4 for the post of assistant audit officer. Scheme of Tier 3 examination, pen and paper, descriptive paper, English or Hindi, writing of essay, pre-C, letter writing, application, 100 marks, 1 hour. The paper in Tier 3 will have to be written either in Hindi or in English. Part paper written in Hindi, part paper English will be awarded 0 marks. Either आप हिंदी में लिखते हैं और अंग्रेजी में लिखना है. Tier 3 candidates must write their correct roll numbers at the prescribed place. Tier 4 consists of skill test, computer proficiency test, data entry test. Then syllabus for general intelligence, reasoning, general awareness, quantitative aptitude, English comprehension, everything is given. Indicative syllabus for Tier 2 is also given. Paper 2 English language comprehension syllabus given. For paper 3 statistics syllabus given. Then for paper 4 general studies and finance and economics. Not for everybody. Then part B economics and governance, 120 marks. That syllabus is given. Not for everybody. Skill test consists of data entry test, 8,000 key depressions. Data entry spec will be conducted for a passage of about 2,000 key depressions for a duration of 15 minutes. Data entry. Please go through all the details. Computer proficiency test will be conducted for some people. Duration 15 minutes. DEST will be conducted for a passage of about 2,000 key depressions. Yeah. So these are the points given. Advertisement will come today only, and yeah, it has already come. Then other things we need not worry. We write the exam, get selected, then go for further selection. Thank you.